Dr. Sully here, and we're going to talk about a concept that Air Force and Army utilize. Not a lot, but it's a real interesting concept called the B power lead concept. So it's B back power, but it's a power lead concept. I'm going to show you how it's run. We're going to first go through it out of flex. So flex formation, you got the receivers 3.5 feet away from the tackles. And basically what happens is it's blocked just like crush. So what will happen is for these 7 guys in front is blocked just like crush. So the receiver blocks down on number 1. You got the triple team on the action key right there. So you got this guard posting, the tackle coming in with his left knee, left hand, 4 inch northbound steps, the center scoop to engage. So he'll sprint his belly button through the guard and then engage with his right knee, right hand, 4 inch northbound steps. Guard sprints through the center, tackle sprints through the guard, backside receiver cuts off. So it's the same as running crush or kick. Same blocking. Now, what makes it a power lead is the A-back is going to kick out number 2. He's going to kick him out. The key to the whole thing is that he gets his helmet up the field, strikes with his right forearm, drives him out of bounds. Now, here's where the lead comes into play. So usually when you run a power O concept, the guard skip pulls and hugs the wall of the third guy in the surface to block the mic. Now you're going to use the A-back to do it. So the A-back is going to sprint and come off the receiver's block and wall off the mic. So he'll be the one to do that. So you're getting a way better athlete doing that. So you don't have to teach guards how to skip pull and all that. The quarterback is going to reverse out flat. Or I shouldn't say flat, excuse me. He's going to reverse out. The B-back's going to lateral step. He's going to take the ball. He's got to wait for the A to clear. And he's going to hit it right off the play side hip of the receiver and run to daylight. And then the quarterback's going to carry out the fake to hold the corner, because if the corner sucks inside, you can come back to the next play and run B power lead keep. And then there's nobody left. They run out of people. So that's the B power lead concept. I also drew it out of heavy because out of heavy, most of the time you're going to get the extra half player or full player, depending if they don't align right. You'll get the receiver to crack the safety. You'll get the same exact blocking scheme up front, except now this is a receiver that'll scoop, and this is the heavy tackle blocking down. So obviously you got a better advantage if you do that. You've got the A-back kicking number 2, the other A-back leading to block the mic. Quarterback reverses out. The A-back will lateral step, run through the ball, waits for the A to clear, then hammers it home, and then the quarterback carries out the fake to hold the corner. And if the corner ever folded inside, well, then you can just run B power lead keep and you're good to go. So the B power lead concept, this is a concept I can see picking up a lot more traction in 2022. Be ready for it. It's a really great concept, and you still maintain a triple team, a down block. So if number 1's taking the dive, and every time he sees the tackle blocked out, he squeezes down hard and turns his shoulders and tries to take the B back because he thinks the dive is coming, then you just wall him off. You kick that guy. You lead through with a much better athlete than a guard, and he just hammers it home. I think it's going to be a real popular concept, but we shall see. So that's the B power lead concept. And coaches, if you want to run Army, Air Force, and Navy's modern day triple option offense, you want to do it the right way the first time, and you want to win more games this year like I help people win every year. I had 4 clients last year win 4+ more games than the previous season. Well, you need to give me a call. My number's on the thumbnail of this video, and so is my website, and we'll talk soon.